Welcome everyone. So we are done with the precedency in the last video, and in this video we are going to cover a little concept that is known as casting. Let me write here. That is known as casting. And casting refers to changing the data type from one to another. Like if I have, let me open this shell here, Python, x is equal to 2, and I need to convert this x into float, because here it is a int. Like if I print type of x, I will get int, and if I need to convert this one into float, I will just do float x, then I will get 2.0. Now if I check the type x, here I have int. Now the question is, here I will get 2.0 and here I have int, then why it is not float? Because here we have just changed that one for a particular instant. If you want to change this completely, you will write float here 2, then if you print x, you will get 2.0 and type of x is float. And again, if I have this x is equal to 2.0, I need int. I just write int x for a temporary integer value, and for permanent int I will just write x int, and here I have 2.0. Then if I write x, I have 2, and the type of x is I have int. So that's the casting, and I hope you understand this one. And you can change any data type from one to another by using casting, but you cannot do something like convert a into integer, and if you want to add that integer to 2, that's something that is not possible here. So don't make this concept like complex thing there. I hope you understand this one, and thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Hey everyone, in the previous videos we have learned about the numbers and their operations and casting. Now we will move to the second data type, that is strings. That is the most important and common data type in Python. Generally, any data, most of you consider them as numbers and set of characters like C, D, A, B, and like water. These are all alphabets here, but if we consider this one, it's a word. But in case of Python, we will consider all these things as strings. Unlike the other programming languages where these things are considered as characters, like in C, we have these things number, these things characters, and these are strings, that is the array of characters. But in case of Python, like if here I have Python, and you will write something like type of C, that is a character. But in case of Python, you will get this one also as string. And if you also write this one type, and here I have water, this will also a string. One more thing, if you write type and parentheses, in parentheses quote 2 again quote, you will also get string. Why this happen? Because in Python language, string is not something the alphabet. Python language understands strings as the data that is between the quotes. Like if I have x is equal to, if it's like something 2, 3, 3.3 and anything like that, it will be considered as number. And if it is between the quotes, it's considered as a string. Similar, all other data types like list, tuples, and dictionaries that you are going to learn later in this course have one thing common, that is their unique characteristics that define them. So here in strings we have double quotes and single quotes. Both the thing written in these things is a string, whatever it is, whether it's a number, any alphabet. Like also if I have type and here I have in quotes S2 3D4 whatever you want to add, and you will get string. Whatever you write, it doesn't matter. So that's the string. The group of words that is between the quotes is known as a string, and that's the string here. And now we will learn about the operations and methods related to strings and the indexing, slicing in the next videos. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Hey everyone, so in this video we are going to learn about the methods, and this one is going to be a little important one, so stay focused and keep watching this video. So till now we have not learned about the methods. So generally methods are something like if I have a function, that's what we have also not learned here. Like we have print. So what actually print does? It shows you output. Whatever you will write in these codes will be shown here on the output. So generally what print here is, if you think about the print, actually print is a function that has some instructions that we did not able to see here, that are the backend of this Python, or we can say that atom that shows the output that is written within the print. So print is generally an inbuilt function. It performs a specific task of printing the document on the desktop. So anything that performs any particular task that is given to that is known as a function. They are small block of codes that we are going to learn later in the course, but we require to know them a little to study the methods. So I hope you get the idea what a function is. Like if I have something that is I require to add two numbers in a program many times, then I will generate a function and use it whenever I want to in my program, instead of again and again writing the code. So you will get more about the functions when we will learn about the function in the course, but till now just that's enough for you, so that you will get basic idea. Now what method is? Method is also a function, but methods are limited for a data type. Like if I have some methods for string, that they are a little function. Like if I need to convert, like if I have here Python, and here if I have a string like x is equal to like water, and here I have this string. And what if I want to convert all the letters of this string in uppercase? Just imagine I need them anywhere, like in any dictionary or anything. I want to convert these numbers. So how do I can convert them? Either I will write a very large code, or the second option is I will use a method. That is the best thing in Python. We have a lot of methods. Everything you need, there is a method related to that. Like if I need to convert this one in upper, I just write x dot upper and parentheses. I will get everything in uppercase letters. So that's a method here. And method, this one is also a function, but actually this one is limited to strings only. Every data type has their separate methods. Maybe some are common to them, but not all. So these methods are something you can just imagine that a block of code that is a function, but that is bounded to a specific data type. And if you want to get the methods related to any data types, just write dir, that stands for directory generally, and in quotes like write string. You will get all the methods related to string. So here I have all these methods. If you can see here, a lot of these. Similarly to any data type, you will have these methods. So I hope you understand what the method is, and they are very useful. Like if I have x again, that is water, and I just need to convert the first word capital, so I just write x dot title. Here I have water in W capital. If I have x is equal to in capitalized words. Wait, water. And I want to important video. Please go through this one if you did not understand the function, but this one is not like the operations and precedency. They are a little typical, but this one is very easy. You just need to write some particular syntax. So that's what method is, and you can try any of these methods. Like some of important are capitalize, is space, is lower, and a lot more. And split, this one that removes the space in the starting bits. Like if I have quotes space water, then that will remove this space, this one. And there are many here, and thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Hey everyone, so in this video we are going to learn about the indexing and slicing. There are the two most important concepts related to strings. So here, first of all, let we have Python 3, a shell here. Now let me make this one a little larger so that it will be clearly visible to you. Here I have clear, and now I have Python 3. So now if you have a string like here I have water, then if you look at this string, then how many words are there in this string? That is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So every word in this string has a unique index, that is the position of the word in the particular value. As I have told you, string is not about the characters and the words. It's the things that are in between the quotes. So whatever the thing is, they have a particular number. Like this one is on number any, like XYZ, like W. This one is on number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But one more thing here, in strings, the number will begin from 0 if we talk in positive direction. And if we talk in negative direction from backward, then it will begin from -1. That is -1, -2, -3, -4 and -5. That is known as the index. And why indexing is important? Like if you want to get this t there, then how you can access that t? You just write x, then these square brackets, and in between square brackets the index of t, that is 0, 1 and 2, not 3, and you will get t. This is known as the indexing. You can get any number, like here I have 3, here I have e. And if you have string like something like hello world, in this string if you want to access the w, here we have 3 to 5, 6 and 7. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Here I have 6 and I get w. So this is known as the indexing. Now two more thing here. If you want to replace any word in this index, then we have a particular method that I did not mention in the previous one, the video about the methods, that is x.replace, and in parentheses we pass the parameter. So this is the second type of methods in which we need to pass the parameters. Like first I need to replace e, or let me say l, because that one is more times, with, let we have a, and we get Heovorad, whatever that was. I think this one is a Latin word, it sounds like that. So this is the replace method, and I forget that one, so I mentioned this here. It's not related to indexing, but something like that. So this one is the indexing, and I hope you understand what the indexing is, accessing any word there. Now we move to slicing. So I think you understand what the slicing word refers. Splitting anything, or we can say that cutting anything, like slicing any human, murdering that, something like that. So here if I have x is equal to water, or just hello world, So here we have hello world, and that replace this space, otherwise you will get indentation errors. So here we have hello world. If I need hello this part, what I will do splitting. How will I do? I will take the starting index and the last index, that is like 1 from 0 1 2 3 4. So you are thinking I will get this thing, but when I press enter I will just get L, because this thing means from E up to O, not O, up to O. So if I also need to split up to this O, I will write 1.5, sorry, 1.5 and square brackets, then I will get LO. That's the splitting here, how you can split that thing. If you need this whole world, then what will I write? 0 1 2 3 4 5 6, from 6 to 7 8 9 10, I will write 11. There I get world. Now you think that there is no 11 there, but I still write 11. Why not I get the error? That's because the splitting just consider the word, not how many are there. So it will get up to 11, not considering the what is at 11, because there is nothing also there. Now one more thing here, like I have told you negative index. What if you want to access the L from negative index? You just use x of -2. This one is sounds like x of that particular world. So x of -2 I will get L, x of -1 I will get D. And you can also split this one using negative index, like -3 to -1, I will get RL, that is these two words, because -1 from up to -1 and -3 is R, and R and L. And now there is a shortcut there also, like if you want to split this hello, you can just write from 0 to 0 1 2 3 4 5, and then we have 6, and this one here I have hello. Or you can just write x of nothing but the dots there, and then the limit, that is 6, you will get hello. This is a shortcut, not considering the previous one, that is starting point, if you are going from the beginning. So this thing is known as the splitting. I hope you understand splitting and indexing, because these are very important concept and are going to be used in complete course. So focus on this one also. In this module, the data types are just the definition that what they are, but the videos related to data types like the operation and this indexing, splitting are much more important, and they are just required so that you can find any logic whenever you want to solve any problem. So that's the all about it, and thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video. Hey everyone, in this video we are going to learn about the string formats. So first of all, what actually is format? So format is just something arranging the things in an order. Like if I have something, let me first open the Python shell. Here we have Python 3. Like if I have something x is equal to is, sorry for that, is, y is equal to my, and something z is equal to, here we have name. So if these are you can just think that raw material we have, and we want to arrange them. So putting them in a proper format so that this one has some meaning is known as the formatting. And here we are formatting the strings, that then this one is known as string formatting. Like if I use a C, then what will be the format of these thing? Like first I will have y plus x plus z. So this is what C is, and if I print C, my name is, sorry, here we just need C is equal to, first we have my, then let me also provide this space here, then we have name, not is, then we have another space, and then we have what left, X, my name is. So here we have X, and if you print C, here we have my name is. So this is a general idea that what is formatting. Now in strings we have string formatting, but that is actually a little different from this one. We have different methods to do that. Like if I have a syntax, let we suppose this one, that is my name is, and I need to add the name after this one, and the name is not fixed. Like if I had to use input from user, and input provided by user is something like Alex, and I need to print this Alex here in this X. So how can I do that? I cannot predefine that because I did not know what the name is. So that's the string formatting that came in role here. So how that work is something like if I suppose Y, that is the output of these two, then Y will be like my name is. So now we have two string formatting methods, and that we are going to learn here. We have another also, but they are not much important and did not work in every situation. So we will focus on two methods. One is associated with Python 2.7, that also works in Python 3.7, and one is that is new in Python 3. So that one that is in Python 2, that is the first method that we are going to do here. So how that work, my name is, and I then use the curly braces, then the quotes here, then I will use dot format. This is the dot known as dot format method, and in parentheses I will write what I have to add here. Like if I need to add Z, then hit enter, and now if you print Y, you will get my name is Alex. So Alex we have here this one, and now we have this one. Now most of you also assuming that why shouldn't I just write plus Z? Here I can also write Y, and then I just write plus Z. Like if I have Y, then I will provide quotes here and plus Z, and if I print Y, I have the same result, just a space also required here. But this one is just when you know the Z. As I have told you, the input is not fixed, user can enter anything. So in that cases, if you predefine this syntax and you did not know the value of Z, like if I have Z is equal to, that is not known by me, an input which user will enter, but if user have not entered the input, then how can I add Z in this thing? So that's the thing here. Like if I now W, here I have entered this, but in case of program we did not have this Z. So that's why we use this string formatting instead of just plus Z in this case. Now more thing also, let me clear the screen and run the Python 3 again. Few things more, like if I have X is equal to let me have something 34, just a number, and Y is equal to like what I take again Alex, and then I have a syntax that is my name is, and here I have to add the Alex, so I use parentheses. This is what when we have more than one inputs in a common statement. So I have my name is curly braces and my age is, then again I will use these things, then the quotes and dot format method. So here we have dot format parentheses, and here I just use X comma Y. Oh, what happened there? I just hit the up keyword and I lost the statement. So it's okay, I will write it again. My name is and my age is dot format parentheses x comma y, and if I hit enter and then I print z, I will get my name is 34 and my age is Alex. And that's happened because we have x is the age and y is the name. Now here I need to tell you two different things, that why this thing happened, because I need that one. First thing is you have taken this one oppositely. You can also correct this one like y x. That's what you get. My name is Alex and my age is 34. Another method for this is like if I have still y and x, that is a little more efficient because sometimes you just need to take an input first before the second one. You just use the numbers here. Like first I need x here in the age, so I will write first here, and then second in case of name. So that's how I will get the same result. But here maybe this one has any error. Dot format xy 1 2. I suppose this one has to work there, but it's not working. Oh, that's because here the index became 0. I forget that thing, that index is from 0 in case of this one, so I just write 0 and 1. If I have the third input, then I will use 2. And how did I support it? This one again point that to be noted, that here if you notice on the error, this one is index error. That's what I just imagine there, that index is used there. So that's where you can find the errors by using the error statement. So if I hit enter, now it will work, and I have z again, that one, my name is Alex and my age is 34, but we have this one x first and y second, and x is the age. So this is something that how you can format the strings in different ways. So here I have cleared the screen again and Python 3 shell for the second method. So now in second method, this is one that is with the Python 3.7. It doesn't work on Python 2, and this one is better than the previous one. Most of the users prefer this one. So if I have the name Alex and y is equal to my name is, and I need to add that thing. So here I have my name is and space, then the again parentheses. In the second method also we use the parentheses, sorry, the curly braces, and rest the things are nearly same. What we do, we just use a f in front of the whatever the statement is, and then in the curly braces we just use the variable name. Here if you run the y, you will get my name is Alex, and just like that one, if I have two inputs, that is Alex and y is the age, something like 33 now, and z is now f in quotes, my name is in brackets x, and my age is, and then in brackets the y. Here if you run this one, then we have my name is Alex and my age is 33. And what if they are like, if I have first z is equal to, first use the f, my age is, here you do not require to write the indexes, you can just simply write the parentheses and parentheses y, and my name is, and then again x here. So this one is more simple than that one, which do not require any index or something like that. So that's the string formatting methods here, the two types of string formatting method. There are other different types of string format methods also, like using the percentages, etc., but these are enough for your work and where you require. So that's the formatting methods. Now one more thing here, if I have something like x is equal to, we have the data of user in form of list. Like if I have here my name, here something like what I like is sports, and something like my age, that is like 30, 43, whatever you want to add, and what's your age is. So if I have this one x, and from this one list I need a proper and complete statement here. So how can I write that? So I just use f or dot format method, whatever you want to. So I just write my name is, then the brackets, and in brackets I write x, and my name is x, and my hobby is playing. Then I have again the x, and my age is, then I have again the x. Now we have used all the curly braces here with the x, and how will it work? Because our data is in x, so how can we make this one work? So this will work just by using the indexing. So that's why I have told you indexing is the most important concept. So here I have my age is, where is the age? On the third, and the index became from 0, 1 and 2. So here I use 2. Here use x of 1, and here I will use x of 0. So that's how you can use a simple list that is input by the user, or you have any saved one, and to access the elements in formatting method. So here I have my name is Dev, and my hobby is playing sports, and my age is 343. That's what not my age is, but that's the way I can tell you how it works. So I hope you like this one and understand this one. If you have any doubt, please ask the questions. I'm here to help you, and thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.